This is how to insert a scroll bar into Microsoft Excel to help with your data analysis. Copy the heading row from your main data and paste this in the section you will place your scroll bar. Go to Developer, then click Insert and select Scroll Bar. Right-click on the scroll bar, then Format Control. Change the maximum value to 35 and select the cell above, Employee Full Name, as the cell link and press OK. Complete the offset formula as shown above. Remember to press F4 on your keyboard after selecting the cell link in the formula in order to turn it into an absolute reference. Drag the formula to fill the cells on the right. Correctly format any cells if required to a number or percentage. Then, drag down the formula to fill the rest of the cells below. Now you can use the scroll bar to quickly scan through and analyze all of your data.